Welcome to the Crypto Investments channel. In this video, I will talk about dogelonmars price prediction and dogelonmars news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for dogelonmars in 2022. Dogelonmars is a dog-themed meme coin on Ethereum and Polygon. It follows the example of other successful dog coins like Dogecoin, Shiba Inu and Floki Inu. Dogelonmars plays on several popular themes in the meme coin space. Its name is a mixture of Dogecoin and Elon Musk, the billionaire entrepreneur who is an outspoken supporter of Doge. It alludes to Mars, a spin on the famous moon meme, implying that Dogelon will experience a massive upward movement. Beyond its tongue-in-cheek name, Dogelonmars has managed to build a significant community, with more than 300,000 Twitter followers and more than 84,000 followers on Telegram. Just like is the case for its more prominent and more established cousins, the founders of this particular dog coin are unknown. That is somewhat of a common occurrence for meme coins, and investors are well advised to do due diligence with little-known coins to avoid falling victim to malicious practices like rug pulls and exit scams. With that said, Elon has been on the market for several months, making the likelihood of the coin being a scam relatively small. So let's start with the most important news of the past days about XRP. Top 5 cryptocurrencies to watch this week: BTC, XRP, NEAR, XMR, Waves. Bitcoin, BTC, plunged below $40,000 on March 4th and has been trading below the level throughout the weekend. Although the crypto price action has been volatile in the past few days, Glassnode data shows that institutional investors have been gradually accumulating Bitcoin through the Grayscale Bitcoin Trust (GBTC) shares since December 2021. Another positive sign has been that fund managers have not panicked and dumped their holdings in GBTC. This suggests that managers possibly are bullish in the long term. Hence, they are riding out the short-term pain. Bloomberg Intelligence said in their Crypto Market Outlook report on March 4th that Bitcoin may remain under pressure if the United States stock markets keep falling. But, eventually, they expect crypto to come out ahead. On the other hand, if the stock market recovers, then Bitcoin could rise at a greater velocity if past patterns repeat. Although crypto markets are facing strong headwinds, select altcoins are showing signs of life. Let's study the charts of the top 5 cryptocurrencies that could benefit from a rebound in Bitcoin. Let's start on BTC. The USDT Bitcoin broke below the moving averages on March 4th, suggesting that bears are attempting to gain the upper hand. The bulls tried to trap the aggressive bears by pushing the price back above the moving averages on March 5th and March 6th, but failed. If the price sustains below the moving averages, the bears will try to pull the BTC Tether USDT pair to the support line of the ascending channel. The bulls are likely to defend this level aggressively. A strong rebound off this support will suggest that the pair could extend its stay inside the channel for a few more days. This short-term bearish view will invalidate if the price rises from the current level and breaks above the 20-day exponential moving average, $40,474. That will indicate strong buying at lower levels. The bulls will then attempt to push the price toward the resistance line of the channel. The next trending move is likely to begin after the pair breaks above or below the channel. The 20 EMA on the 4-hour chart is turned down and the Relative Strength Index, RSI, is in the negative zone, indicating that bears have the upper hand. If the price breaks below $38,000, the pair could drop to $37,000 and then to $35,500. Contrary to this assumption, if the price turns up from the current level and rises above the 20 EMA, it will suggest strong buying at lower levels. The bullish momentum could pick up after the pair breaks and closes above the 50 simple moving average. That could open the doors for a possible rally to $45,000. XRP. USDT Ripple, XRP, has been attempting to rise above the downtrend line for the past few days, but the bears have held their ground. A minor positive is that the bulls have not given up and are trying to defend the 50-day SMA, 72 cents. The flattish moving averages and the RSI near the midpoint do not give a clear advantage either to the bulls or the bears. If bulls push and sustain the price above the downtrend line, the momentum is likely to pick up, possibly rallying the XRP USDT pair to 91 cents. A break and close above this level could clear the path for a possible retest of the psychological resistance at $1. Conversely, if the price slips and sustains below 69 cents, it will suggest that bears are back in control. The pair could then drop to 62 cents. The 4-hour chart shows that the pair is currently range-bound between 80 cents and 70 cents. If buyers push the price above the downtrend line, the pair could challenge the overhead resistance at 80 cents. A break and close above this level could signal that the bulls have the upper hand. The pair could first climb to 85 cents and then to 91 cents. Contrary to this assumption, if the price turns down from the moving averages, it will suggest that the bears are selling on rallies. The pair could then drop to 70 cents. If this level cracks, the selling could accelerate and the pair could drop to 62 cents. NEAR to USDT NEAR protocol, NEAR, is sandwiched between the moving averages for the past few days. This shows that bears are selling on rallies to the 50-day SMA, $11, while bulls are buying on dips to the 20-day EMA, $10. The RSI is near the midpoint, and the 20-day EMA has flattened out, indicating a status of equilibrium between the bulls and the bears. If the price rebounds off the current level and breaks above $12, it will suggest the bulls are on a comeback. The new USDT pair could then rally to $14, where it may again encounter strong resistance from the bears. Contrary to this assumption, if the price breaks and sustains below the 20-day EMA, it will suggest that the bears have the upper hand. The pair could then drop to the strong support at $8. Dogelon is currently worth $0.00000076 United States dollars at $421,924,430, making it 126 on the most valuable coin list. Is Dogelon a good investment? How much will Dogelon cost in 2025, or how much will Dogelon cost 10 years from now? The results of only observations for 2022, and this is what experts predict for this year. By 2022, Dogelon appears to have reached price levels similar to their all-time high. By 2022, we expect the average rate to be $0.00000092. If all goes smoothly, we predict that the Dogelon market price could increase to $0.00000105 in 2022. But the next year will be more interesting for investment. In 2023, with higher consumption and partnership between important ranges, the price of Dogelon will skyrocket. The maximum trading price will reach $0.00000158 in 2023. The price ranges will be very trendy if we keep them. If all goes well, we expect an average price of $0.00000132, with an expected price of $0.00000158 for 2023. If you are planning to invest for the long term, here is the forecast for 2024. Elon is discovered by potential. As signs and innovations are found, an increase in the number of users and advertising is possible. If the market focuses on investment in Dogelon the price could be higher. By 2024, it may reach a maximum value of $0.00000221. Elon is expected to reverse slightly if the market goes down. The year 2024 could end with an average price of $0.00000192, a low price of $0.00000186, and an expected price of $0.00000221. Course forecast 2025 Elon will be seen as the best option, and with the spread of the Dogelon community, Mars is finding new highs. Price swings are hard to predict, especially if the market is more bullish or bearish than ever. For the year 2025, the Dogelon price will be almost $0.00000271. The maximum bet we can get is $0.00000326. Dogelon average price forecast for the end of 2025 could be around $0.00000278. A large price turnover is expected in the turnover observed in the cryptocurrency market. Dogelon course prediction 2026 volatility drives the cryptocurrency market. Today, forecasting and implementation at current prices is expected. Many cryptanalysts are at play in this regard. Price predictions are correct for recovery years. Cryptocurrency consumers still ban and restrict cryptocurrencies. Dogelon could cross $0.00000464 if the market sees a good normal run in 2026.